Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick unboxing and a physical overview of Black Unity Apple Watch Band limited edition. So Apple also launched the Apple Watch Series 6 with this limited edition. I got this parcel from Apple. So this is just a outer box. Let's open that. Yeah, there is a small pepper that we can tear it off, and just opening the box. Yeah, that's a bill. We'll take that outside. Yeah, here there is some different packaging. They have taped that Apple Watch band box with that cardboard. So let me open that small tape paper. This band box itself looks really good. I really like that color combination which they have used. I think Apple, they have inspired from Pacific African flag. So this box really looks good. So there are some overview, like it's as usual basic Apple Watch details. So this is a 44 band. This is not focusing. Yeah, it's 44 sorry to show that in opposite direction. See, I told you, right? Black Unity Sports Band. So let's open it, this box. So again, as usual, apples, that peel of small paper. So I'm pulling it out. So yeah, here we have some paperworks. It's they have as usual like instructions and paperwork with the different language. That's what they have given in this. So let's look at the Apple Watch band. Yeah, there is one more paperwork which they have given some instructions about, or just details about that. So let's open the real band package. Here this red, black and green combination itself looks good with that image. Now let's take it out, that band, a real band. There are this is a green with there are some message in that tip. So this is the small to medium strip band, and the another one is large, medium to large. I'm struggling to take it out. Yeah, that's it. So this feel looks really good. I really like this color combination which is used. It's not for, yeah, this is medium to large. There they have mentioned in that band. As I told you before, this is a small to medium. That is what they have mentioned here. Yeah, this band quality as usual, Apple quality looks good. So this pin also, it is fine. The back side of that pin, there are some engravement kind of thing with that some message. Yeah, I have a Apple Watch Series 3. I don't have any other watch series. So this is 42 so we can match this 44 band with this, because the size is same, only the display they have increased in that latest version. So I'm trying to insert those straps into that Apple Watch Series 3. See, this is how it looks. This is a black, I mean, I think it's a space gray version. So it's really matched with that Apple Watch. Also, I have changed the watch face into that black unity watch face. So it really matched well. uh, I'll tie that Apple Watch into my hand. It's looks really really good. This is this is how it looks. I really like this combination, color combination, red, black, and green. This is really attractive. So that's it about the unboxing. So thank you guys.